Gobeigo Pet Hair Remover for Couch/Car Detailing, Dog Hair Remover Mini Cat Hair Remover, for removal brush great for auto detailer and house cleaners used in fabric, furniture, couch or carpet. Clean stubborn pet hair easily. We have thickened and hardened rubber gear of the pet hair detailer, easier to pull out even the DELOMO Pet Hair Remover Roller Dog and Cat Fur Remover with self-cleaning base efficient animal hair removal tool perfect for furniture, couch, carpet, car seat. Red. A wonderful gift for pet owner. This is a pet hair roller remover that you never had before. It will efficiently clean up all ORDORA Pet Hair Remover for Furniture/Bed, Reusable Dog Hair Remover Roller for dog and cat, self-cleaning. No adhesive or sticky tape needed, perfect for remover for couch. Fast Pet Hair Removal Tool, remove pet hair in a second. This pet hair remover roller can easily clean cat/dog hair from your bed, furniture, couch, sofa, chair, car, carpet, and so on. Note, not suitable for smooth, Nado Care Pet Hair Remover Lint Roller Self-Cleaning Dog and Cat Fur Remover. Remove dog, cat hair from furniture, carpets, bedding, clothing, couch, car seat. No power source required. Nado Care Pet Hair Remover is convenient and simple. You don't need to tear paper or take time to charge. With 100% reusable pet hair lint roller, no longer waste money on refills or batteries. No adhesive or sticky tape design. Our pet hair roller is reusable with the self-cleaning design. Allo Pet Dog Hair Removal for couch, cloth, carpet, car seat, pillow, sofa, bed, furniture, and so on. Reusable fur remover for pet self-cleaning, no need replacement of sticky tape. You just simply roll back on the surface of the furniture or the objects you want to clean up, then open the container and pick up the hair. That's it. The furniture is clean up.